everyone! We just came back from a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise on the humongous Norwegian Bliss. At the time of this recording, the Bliss is still the newest ship on the NCL fleet. If you're not new to NCL, I'm sure you've seen these offers. And in case you haven't, make sure you ask for them when you book your next cruise. So these offers are based on your reservation category. Ours allowed us 2 of these offers, and we picked the unlimited Wi-Fi and specialty dining. Our specialty dining option came with a choice of 3 restaurants. All we paid was the gratuity. It was definitely a good deal. The restaurants we picked were Cagney's Steakhouse and Ocean Blue Seafood. Both are classy and elegant. I am a vegetarian, so I cannot speak fairly of their specialties, which are steak and seafood. My husband did say that the food was of higher quality than those in the regular dining areas, and that it is definitely worth the extra fee, even at the non-promo price. So there you have it, a quick, straight-to-the-point review. I did enjoy Ocean Blue's only vegetarian option, which was a cauliflower steak. It was a huge cauliflower, but it was tasty and it was different, and I liked it. For our third spot, we picked the Fun Teppanyaki restaurant. It's a Japanese hibachi. So this video features the Teppanyaki restaurant. Enjoy!
So anything that you need, please let us know, yeah? But before I start your grill, how's your vacation so far? Good, alright. And quick explanation about our concept of our service for your edamame, miso soup, and seaweed salad will come automatically for you. You don't need to order for all those things, you just need to order for your entry, which is from the classic side or combination side. And for the set recommendation, we have asuka, which is comes with filet mignon and jumbo shrimp. And together with your entry, we will have garlic fried rice for you, grilled vegetable, and also 2 kind of dipping sauce, which is creamy mustard and ginger onion. But before I place your order, guys, I like to double check if anybody have dietary need, any allergies. No, everybody good with the food? Yeah, alright. Alright, good evening, welcome to the Teppanyaki, welcome to the most quiet and most romantic restaurant in Japan. By the way, my name is Roman, I'm your chef for tonight. Where do you like it or not? Yes? Alright, before I start, I'll give you order one by one. For you, what is seafood? For you, Alright, now I'll give you some Japanese exercise. I learned in YouTube last night. It's my birthday in person. Don't be afraid. Alright, there we go. Okay, Gangnam Style. Yeah. Pick the lady. Wow, it's my birthday in person. That's why I feel nervous. Yeah. I'm sexy right now. You love me. Are you ready? Woo! I got happy. Woo! Yeah. Over my back. Yep. Japanese helicopter all the way from China. Yeah. Whoa! Don't worry, it's a Maruba show. Yeah. It's a driving master. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Alright, thank you very much. Before I hurt somebody, yeah? Alright, there we go. Happy, happy. Everything is Japanese except me, yeah? Alright, everybody loves garlic.
Garlic, yeah.
Yes, garlic, good for the heart. Bad in the mouth, yes? That is my perfume on my room. That's why I'm still alive. And single but not available. Yes? Everybody love rice? Yeah. Japanese rice all the way from England. Yeah. A little portion of rice. chicken, of course. Alright.
From
yeah.
the chicken.
Yeah, two eggs. Yeah. Let me get three. Yeah, let me get five.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, go roll it.
Rolling, rolling on the green.
Yeah.
The eggs on the grill goes round and round, round and round. The eggs on the grill goes round and
1 to 100, yeah, 3, 4, 5, higher, yeah, 7, 11, 100, yeah. Wow. That is my hobby while I'm alone in my room. One more time. Spin around, every night, you know, the time is not coming around. Spin around. Alright, there we go. Japanese people all the way from Amazon.com. Whoa! Once upon a time, I was falling in love. And I was falling. Whoa! Rocky! Yeah? That is such a thing.
Oh.
Yeah? Don't worry, it's a part of the show, yeah? Running egg. Yeah, this is the only thing that I can do. A simple art all the way from art gallery, yeah? That's to the heart. That's Ryan Adams. Hey, I love you, baby. It's just quite alright, it's a baby girl. Babe, alright. The favorite part of my job. More eggs, more power. More eggs, more protein. More eggs, more cholesterol. Yeah. Egg over easy. Yeah. Running egg. Yeah. Egg over hard. Egg over medium. Egg over my heart. Wow, I feel it's broken. Yeah! Yeah! I want to know that mother. Hey, don't go inside. Yeah, we can pick it up right. Bye bye. Alright, wow, he's jumping up. Backside, yeah.
If you've been to a teppanyaki before, I honestly think that they're all the same. Being on this teppanyaki, the only difference is you're on a ship. So you're there primarily for entertainment. The food is just secondary. Our chef was just all right.
Other side. Yeah. Other side, make it longer. Very good. I'm gonna show you how to make a Japanese burrito. All the way from Mexico. Did you go outside in Fort Vallarta? Yeah. Japanese massage. I told you everything is Japanese technique. Alright? Alright, meet my friend. Yep. When I woke up in the morning and I see fell outside with a sweet, sweet eye. I was out of my eyes and I say, hey, I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. You love me. You ride it. Yeah. Alright. Only water. Hallelujah.
Here he's starting my teriyaki tofu, I think. The only vegetarian option on the menu. There it is.
Oh, it's lazy.
don't want to wake up. Yeah.
It's not a real one.
Japanese mosquito. Yeah. Nuggets all the way from Walmart, yeah. Kentucky chicken. Beef tenderloin all the way from Holy Cow. Ooh. All right, if somebody love rice, that's it. Rice, David. Rice, David. All right. To the real listen. I just packet of lagoon nation. Yeah, I don't got the lyrics already.
The other huge difference between teppanyakis on land and on board the cruise is they give you huge amounts of food. Look at that. That's a lot of food. And he's just starting.
All you need to do is open your mouth. Ready? I'm gonna in the 5, going 3, 2, 1. That's it! Oh! Back row. So for me, one more time. Smile up like this.
At this point, he's just cooking. No more singing, no more jokes. He must have run out of tricks, which is fine. I guess at some point you're gonna have to enjoy your meal anyway. Those are the jumbo shrimps. They give a lot. I don't know how many people ordered the shrimp, but when we finished, everyone had leftovers. Too bad you can't take it home.
Now you can try that. Yeah. You can start to try our vegetable appetizer. And over here, I will make my green island.
And now for the dessert. These are green tea ice cream, green tea cake, and cashew sauce. And look at this fresh fruit sashimi. Amazing. So there you have it, the Teppanyaki restaurant at the NCL Bliss. Give them a try.